back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be focusing on a couple of programs that Amazon offers through their Seller Central that you can be applying today to help increase your sales, increase your conversions, and your overall brand awareness and growth within the Amazon FBA space. So I really encourage you guys to really apply to these programs that I'll be talking about today because it can make a huge difference in your brand loyalty and in your brand conversions. So very excited to inform you guys. You may have heard of some of these programs, you may have not, but my job today is to make sure you are well informed and to encourage you to apply to these programs. These programs include Subscribe and Save, business-to-business pricing, growth opportunities page, and even a small and light program to help reduce those fulfillment fees. Anyways, let's get to the video and let's talk about these programs and how they can benefit you within your selling journey. Hey everyone, welcome back. So the first program that I wanted to discuss with you today is the Small and Light program. The purpose of this program is to reduce your fulfillment costs at FBA. So for example, you have a small product that you're paying about $6 in Amazon FBA fees currently. However, with the Small and Light program, if your product is eligible to be in this program, you'll probably be paying around maybe $2 or $3 in FBA fees. That's 50% reduction in your FBA fees currently. However, in order to be eligible for this Small and Light program, the product needs to be 3 pounds or less, priced at $10 or less, and be 18 by 14 by 8 inches in dimensions. So I highly recommend that if you have small products currently in your inventory or within your catalog and they're currently priced around $12, $13, $14, $15 at the moment, I would strongly consider reducing those prices to around $10 or less and enroll them within the Small and Light program. It really depends on your margins as well, but if you have room or the margins to do so, really reduce those prices to $10 or even less and enroll them in this program to see if they're eligible, and if you are, then that will save you a huge amount in FBA fees currently. So I strongly encourage to be in this program, especially if you have the capacity to do so. It's super easy, and in order to find the Small and Light program page, you're going to go at the top, you're going to find Growth, you're going to explore programs, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go into fulfillment on the left hand side over here, and then explore Small and Light, and that's where you're going to learn more. And then this page will pop up in which you can get the SKU of the products that you're trying to enroll. You would insert the SKU here and then check their eligibility. So prior to even doing this, and let's say you don't have any products at the moment that are $10 or less, I would just audit your catalog, see the products that are currently around $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, around the $11 through $15 range, and do the analysis of if you drop the price to $10, would your margins handle that, especially with the reduced Amazon FBA fees when they are enrolled into the program. So once the price adjustments have been done, come back to this page, enter the SKUs of the product that you would like to enroll into the program, and this is where you'll be able to check its eligibility afterwards. Once you make the price adjustments, I would wait about 15-20 minutes just so it gets registered into the Seller Central system, and then I would go onto the Small and Light page to check if you can enroll those SKUs. Alright guys, so that's the Small and Light program, and that's something that will be a huge benefit to you if you are able to reduce your FBA fees. Hey guys, the second program that I wanted to discuss today is Subscribe and Save. So you probably have seen a Subscribe and Save option when you have been shopping on Amazon as yourself as a customer. An example I'm going to show you right now is this vitamin C serum. So if we go to the right hand side of my screen, we see this option to subscribe and save to the product. What this means is that as a customer, we can buy this product on a recurring basis depending on our selected delivery schedule. So you have the option to get this product delivered on a repeated basis every few weeks or even every few months, and you have all these options to get it within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 months, 6 months. It really depends on you. This is a really good opportunity for us as the customer because if we really love the product and are loyal to the product, then we want to get it on a repeated basis without having to individually purchase it every time. And so as a seller, this is a really great option for us because not only are we able to have loyal customers, but we're able to get repeated sales as a result. So we're increasing our conversions, we're increasing our sales, and we're just getting committed customers to the product. This is also a really great opportunity to build brand awareness because you're making your customers very familiar with your product and overall keeping that engagement and that commitment to your brand. When you are enrolling into the Subscribe and Save program, you have the option to either give a 0% discount, 5% discount, or 10% discount. I highly encourage to start off with the 5% discount and see how performance is with the 5% discount, and you can really monitor that performance and then make an assessment whether you can increase that discount for higher conversions. So start small, see what that results in. If you're getting really good Subscribe and Save customers through that small discount, then I would consider increasing your discount for even higher conversions, and if your margins allow you to do so as well. So this is a Subscribe and Save program, and the way you're able to access it is through Growth, Explore Programs, and then on the left hand side you're going to go into Increase Conversion, and then Subscribe and Save is right here, which you'll be able to access. Alright guys, that is SNS for you. The third program that I wanted to talk about is the B2B program. So this program allows you to target business customers specifically. So people who have an registered Amazon business account, they're able to see B2B pricing that you have implemented on your products and get discounted prices within those products. I highly encourage this program because often businesses want to buy products in bulk. And so when a business wants to buy a product in bulk, that means more purchases for you and more sales for you as the seller. So the way that you can go about this program is offer tiered quantity discount. So for example, it's really dependent on you how you want to go about your tier pricing setup. But basically the tier pricing that you implement will only just be visible to business Amazon registered customers. So let's say you're selling a pack of stacks of paper, printing paper, and you're gonna sell 5 packs for a 10% discount, or you might want to increase that to 15 packs for a higher discount. So you'll do 5 packs as 5%, you'll do 10 packs as a 10% discount, and you'll probably do 20 stacks of paper for 15% discount. Again, this is just an example, but that's how you can go about your tiered pricing quantity. And also it's really dependent on your margins how you're going to go about your tiered pricing quantity. Once those prices are implemented, which you would do over here on this section, then obviously those pricings will be visible to business registered customers, and they can go about buying a bulk of those products from you because of this B2B pricing that you had applied. Highly encourage this program. It really opens up, different customers for you, and people will probably be buying in bulk because of this B2B pricing that you had implemented. And the way to access B2B pricing would be in Growth, Explore Programs. Then you want to go to B2B, and then B2B Sales right here. So definitely look into this, and I think it's a really great opportunity to expose yourself to business customers. Hey guys, so the last thing that I wanted to discuss today is called Growth Opportunities. So this is a page that you can access through the Growth tab, and then click on Growth Opportunities, and then you'll be directed to this page. So this page is super awesome, and it's a really great page that Amazon has created to make suggestions that will help with your overall growth, your overall sales. So what I mean by this is you see these sections that Amazon will be making recommendations on. So for example, create A+ content. If some of your ASINs are missing A+ content, Amazon will probably suggest to you that this particular ASIN could use some A+ content, and we'll see an X amount of lift in sales as a result of this suggestion. So as you can see, it's just a recommendation page, and oftentimes when you're not sure of how to increase your overall growth, just go onto Growth Opportunities, see the recommendations that Amazon is offering, and then make the decision from there if you want to move forward with those recommendations. I encourage to go forward with any suggestion Amazon suggests because, they just want to see you succeed. Well, hopefully, but they do want to see more growth, more opportunities for you. And so with these suggestions, there's a possibility that, implementing that suggestion can result in opportunity. I don't see any downsides to it. So this is refreshed on the daily, and so I suggest checking once a week to see what suggestions you can implement within your products. Guys, I really hope you found today's video super helpful and you learned about new programs and new opportunities that you could implement within your Amazon business today. I would say probably my favorite opportunity that I talked about today is the growth opportunities page and subscribe and save, because those opportunities are a really great way to discover more opportunities and also to increase your conversions and overall increase repeated purchases as well. So if you plan on, pursuing any of these programs, please leave a comment below. If you've heard of all these programs, or if you haven't heard of a program, leave your feedback below. We'd love to have a discussion with you guys. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and wish you nothing but success and learning for your journey.